today, you're in for a treat at Island Ford Superstore. This is one of two F-350s 2022 ROUSH in antimatter blue. It has black fender flares, the ROUSH graphics. You're seeing that silver power stripe. It has a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine. It's a V8 paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has a console vault in the front, as well as the off-road kit that it comes with. It has WeatherTech mats as well as carpeted mats, a spray-in liner with a 6.5 foot box, and it has all the nice ROUSH badging on it as well. There's also a twin panel moonroof and Fox 2.0 suspension and the DPF back exhaust. So stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. And if you'd like to take a vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. This is a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel. It's a V8 paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you have this nice leather seating with the ROUSH badging on the headrest. WeatherTech mats that are badged with ROUSH on the floor, and you have your brake release located here. Liftgate or tailgate release, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and with the aid of the running board and grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, adaptive cruise control, media with volume, and hands-free dialing. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket. We're going to push the engine start stop button. On the dash, any important messages will appear, and we have our menu. I'm just going to get to the beginning here. My view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, settings, and they all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter has drive mode, and when I press the end, you'll see it appear: normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, deep, snow, sand, and the recommendation for 4x4, and then back around again. And in the center here, we've got the badging for the B&O sound system, as well as a little cubby, exhaust brake, traction control, hazard lights, hill descent, lane keeping, and there's your camera view. You're seeing where we are in space, which is kind of nice. And then we have our sources here. We can touch on the screen: AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. We also have navigation, and your map's going to come up for that. You can go into settings, slide through for different options. You've got your vehicle hotspot, system updates, owner's manual, and so forth. These all have sub-menus in them as well. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view, and we're seeing Alex in the background there. He's just walked out of view. So we know that we have a person back there, and they're now clear. And we also have the white line showing us as we turn the steering wheel. The black dotted line is your center, and green, yellow, red is how close you are to objects or other vehicles. I'm just going to put us back into park. And then you have your volume and tuner, dual climate control, heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger, your AC and max AC, as well as your front and rear defrost. And then you have a wireless charging pad, USB, USB-C. And let's just close that up. It's just a press. 4x4 locking differential, integrated trailer brake controller, and pro trailer backup. We've got a couple of cup holders here and another set here. The armrest opens up, and there's your vault. And then you can put your code in there. And then off to the side is a 12 volt and 110. You also have 2 glove compartments, and your serialized badging is located right here. And then up top here, you have an auto-dimming rear view mirror, as well as your universal garage door opener, lighting controls, sunglass holder, upfitter switches. You have a power sliding window in the rear, and we also have this nice twin panel moonroof. I'm just going to push the button here. It's powered, and your screen is also powered. So you can control light and air, and as well, there's a grab handle in the body. That just makes it easier to get in. 5-inch grabber all-terrain tires, 20-inch black satin wheels, wheel flares. As well, you've got a body color door handle with intelligent access, and that means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and you have keyless entry keypad. There's also that nice silver accent power stripe, and you have a running board as well. Driver's side fuel cap, and then you've got your ROUSH badging, as well as your Power Stroke on the back with a Super Duty. As well, you have a backup camera just above your handle. The tailgate is lockable and removable. And you also have backup sensors on your bumper. You have a camper package, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and it also has a cover that has an R for ROUSH, and you have a locking spare tire. And then when you're ready to open up that tailgate, you can double click your fob. You can also release it from inside. It powers down for you. You've got this nice spray and liner, tie downs in all four corners, as well as box link. And you've got a tailgate step. You've also got the fifth wheel prep package in there. You're seeing those round discs. And then that little yellow knob pulls out as a handle and gives you access to a support to get in and out of the box. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's also a grab handle in the body and seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Simply lift the seat with one hand. It's in the upright position. Gives you more room on the floor, and you notice you have a collapsible lockable bin. And then when you want to bring the seat down, simply pull the tab. You've got anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And let's have a good look at these really nice ROUSH leather seats. In the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders, all-weather mat on the floor, and as well, it comes with carpeted mats, as well as an off-road utility kit. You have slim pockets on the back of the front seat, a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, as well as 110 USB, USB-C, and those two little red seats are the heated seats. Another grab handle up top is that twin panel moonroof. You also have hooks and lighting in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Black bumper, 6.5-foot box with spray and liner, ROUSH badging, privacy glass in the back windows, and your side view mirrors have blind spot information system as well as integrated turn system. And you have your ROUSH badging on your windshield and your hood, clearance lighting, as well as the LED lights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.